recapping on the next video, I think I've just said it before. I don't know if I'm just gonna say it. Yeah, June 1, I shot a wedding for Liam and Lorita, and that's Queenie's friend. And yeah, it was kuan. Ano in English man ko? Gusto kong vlog. So nag-shoot ko sa kasal ni Lorita o ni Liam. Yeah, dito na sa balay. So may nakanindot nga rin kasi you can shoot inside a house sa inyong balay, and you can have a celebrant. So ang ilang celebrant was another person, but na nga to si Bri for kanang siya mo'y nag-officiate pa. So there's somebody there nag-officiate, but nay kuan nga to kanang kanang official kanang nag-celebrant pa. So there's that person there who kanang kuan officiates or make sure that everything is legal. So muna ginabuhat daw ito na. And why is this car parked here? Fucking hell. Anyway. Nag-park the car sa tabangan. And it's annoying. Yeah. Anyway, the whole day nag-shoot ako. But the thing is, I didn't get to put a lot of video in the vlog. I did their wedding video though. I did using the Osmo Pocket 3. But other than that, wala kayo going to vlog at wala ba. Guys, I'm trying to get back to videos right now. I have a lot of super cross-track content, which is not really good, but I'm starting to make content out of that car because I have that car and I really love it. Yeah, I'm waiting for this Jeep to be sold, this Renegade. But yeah, in the next few days I'll be putting up videos. Might just put this ahead to get everything started. Because sometimes when I try to make content and I stop on one that I'm making, I won't be able to finish it because I'll be stuck there. And yeah, so we're gonna see more content about cross tracks and also some random stuff. So yeah, I have a lot of backlogs. Some of them are like just like as what I've said, they're stale. They're not good vlogs anymore. I need to clear them out. But anyway. Yeah, I'm heading out to a birthday party right now, 7th birthday party, and fuck man, it's so cold. I'm not ready, and yeah. Anyway, I'm heading out there, and then I'll be shooting it, and it's a 2-hour gig, and then I'll be editing, and I'll be doing some stuff. But anyway, that's how the day's gonna go. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to film the whole day, but yeah, we'll try. Let's go. The next one was I was shooting a birthday party, and katong birthday party was held in what you call this, in cinema in sinihan. Sa sinihan siya nag-held. Yeah, kanang it was like 7th birthday. So dito siya kana siya nag-offer yung sinihan bang na mo salida, pwede mo picture, and there's popcorn, and you can have your friends, and gawas sa entrance na sa mga duaan ba. May mga Lego, so it's nice for kids, like they can bring your friends mananong mo salida, dili na ka mag-worry nga sa balay pa nimo i-set or so it's a very good thing. Very nice, very nice. So yeah, the event's here, shooting a birthday party in a cinema, and kids are everywhere, and yeah, it's quite noisy. Watching Garfield also. So na-check play zone diri bay. And then yeah, we're watching Garfield, and one day ang cinema, like everyone's here having fun. Awesome. So fighter kayo kung hindi na ka mag-birthday party sa sinihan, imuha tanan ang tibok sinihan. So mga regalo, may mga kananan, may games, and photo booth sa ako ning katong gitrabahuan. And yeah, that's it. So na siya yung mga coloring area, and diri mga Lego. So fighter kayo. Okay, just finished my job. Just finished it way back earlier. And the thing is, fuck bus. And yeah, June 8, which was the next one, I did a family photo for Daddy's family. And actually, karon they just needed a few more. So today's like what day were today? Today's like the 15th. That was like a week ago. Nag-shoot ko nila. Karon nag-shoot ko gamay. Add-on na lang mga pictures with tram and everything. So that's why I added those photos with them. And muna mong picture karon. I didn't film also because mo na siya basta di ka maanad og video niya. Baraman sa gumakauwo kay naga-work ka, naga-shoot ka, then naga-video ka. So muna siya. So nata sa city karon, just finished my shoot with family. I did a family photo shoot for Phoebe, and then yeah, when you check outside, man, everything's so good. Yeah, everything's like so good. It's like winter. Look at that, man. Anyway, I need to go home now because I need to edit. So that's it for today. Yeah. Oh, look at those trees up there. Oh man, they're so good. And the last one was I went to IKEA. The last video I had was June 12, which was I went to IKEA and then did a bit of shopping for the studio. Kanang nangita ko mga stuff. Also, then I was looking into easy chairs kasi kanang ko makakaling ko ng easy chair kaya makarelax na ka ba. So that's what I did. Bye. Regarding the vlog, Bisaya Bai, I'm really I'm really backlog. Wala gid siya ayo akong life karon because I keep on procrastinating a lot of things. It's a good thing na naka-finish ko some of the things that I need to do, like some of the edits for the weddings that I've shot. I have only a few left right now on my plate. So yeah, I just want to apologize. I'm not going to apologize. I'm just going to tell you guys that I'm sorry. I'm still apologizing. But I'm sorry that wala tayong upload. But the thing is, I really want to upload a lot of stuff, especially karon na dili kayo having wedding, and I should be able to do things right away. So let's change our mindset. I'm doing a lot of things right now. Also, I'm doing self-learning and self-healing because of the things that I've been to, that I did, and everything else. And it's really daghan kasyang stuff that's happening for me now. So that's why it's kind of what's wrong with this thing. That's why it's kind of hard to get these things up and posted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to make videos today, and then slowly I'll trickle previous videos that I've made. Ramag na weird ang because I'm on a road ng liko. I'm in the mountains, and ang angles the camera is weird. So I don't know what's gonna. I don't know if I need to stop this and get the wide lens off, but anyway, amo na siya. So as of now, I'm just gonna tell you what's happening. Gikan ko kanang Tatra, so reception place near my place. It's around 20 to 30 minutes away. Kanang si Henrik nagpatabang kay nagkuan siya. Shoot siya wedding karon niya, nakabiling niya audio gear. So I had to bring his audio gear. Marigi kog na-annoy sa kanang kuan ba sa lens. I'm gonna take it off. One sec. Yeah, this is a 24 mil, and mula lang siya nag-weird siya kasi as you can see, I'm driving now niya ang dalan kay patiltana, pabali, paana. So ang camera sa magsige siya try ka ng level up like this thing, nagtakilid ko. And then the camera is like level. It's weird. Kung kuan pa ni siya, kung vlogging camera pa ni siya, okay ra gyud, pero same ra, di mo kabantay nga nagtakilid na ko ngari. But yeah, the road is kind of weird. Karon nag-downhill sad ano. Muna siya. I just left an audio gear to Henrik, and karon padong ko kay IKEA. When I go to IKEA, I'm gonna try to check for some things that we can use in our podcast setup. So maybe have a setup for kanang kwan for a sofa or a table or whatever na magamit namin sa mong podcast. So I'm heading to IKEA. Might check some stuff there, and then after that, I'm gonna go to one studio para magbuhat sa mong podcast. We have a podcast for tonight. We have podcast every Wednesdays, and we film it at around 6 p.m. So we're on our episode 5. Nagtakilid ako. It's weird, the camera now. Really weird. Anyway, wala na siya. Nag-drive sa ako kay matakpan yung pulis nga rin. Yan, parang weird kaya. Nagtakilid ko. Ana niya, ang camera is like... I'll stop this. This is crazy. Yes, at the IKEA right now. Just trying to look for some things. Magamit. Oh, it's so nice here. All these arrangements. Yeah, nice. catched up. The next one is I am, what you call this, let's go straight. So I am shooting another family photo session for a nice sprint today. So I'm not sure if maka-video ko, but I'll see how we go. So I'm in Carlton Gardens. Though ang akong shoot is in an hour pa, so I need to tambay-tambay a bit. I don't know where. I don't want to go to the city because grabe yung kwan ito rally. Puno kaya ito sa rally and I don't want to be stuck there. Yeah. Let's look for